So today is day 16 of making sure we do a minimum of an hour's work on the house so that we can hopefully meet that goal. Today we were doing the mist coat on the front bedroom, which is essentially mixing white paint with some water so that the plaster can absorb some of the moisture from it. I think if you don't do this stage, sometimes your paint can chip off, so gotta do it properly. We spent a while just tidying up the room and sweeping up the dust from all the sanding. By the time we'd got to painting, we'd already done an hour, but as it's a Saturday, we just carried on. Tomorrow will be very similar and we'll be doing another layer of paint. See you tomorrow!